can already see it deep flaming. Like I can see ripples on it. The other one doesn't have ripples. Are we good?
Yeah. Well, it was nice knowing you both. It was nice knowing you. Another morning on the boat. We already cleaned. Finally, the cats let us sleep. It was a good night without too much noise. Today, we are trying to see if our dinghy sinks or floats. I'm gonna see if I can patch that little hole that we found, and then I'm gonna put it into the water and see what happens. That's the task for today. Why, cats? Why? 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 Why do you have to use litter boxes together at the same time?
Alright, so we have decided to test our dinghy because we want to start anchoring, and well, you need a dinghy to get to places. Problem is that there's a big hole on one of the sides of our... There's a hole on one of the sides of our dinghy, and it deflates over a period of time. So we're just trying to see if it holds air enough, like long enough, so that we can like make trips with it. I mean, of course it'll deflate and then we have to inflate it again. We're just trying to test if it will hold weight. So Andreas is being, what's it called when someone gets tested to see if they die or not?
Test pilot?
Huh?
Test pilot.
Test pilot, yep.
Swim ladder deployed.
Swim ladder deployed. Andreas deployed. Good luck, babe.
Oh wait, I need the pump. Where's the pump?
Oh yeah, in the case that it deflates in the middle of the way. There's your pump.
Alright.
Well, you're still floating, that's good.
I'm still floating. Alright. Pump secured.
I wish you luck.
Thank you.
I hope you...
Wait, are you...
In the worst case that you do fall in the water. Oh well.
Yeah, I got my swim trunks on.
I swam here yesterday. It's not too bad.
Alright.
Might be a little cold at first. Bye, babe. Oh shit, I can already see it deep flaming.
What? No, really?
No, I mean, it's not as strong as the other side. Like, I can see ripples on it. The other one doesn't have ripples. Bye!
It's working!
Go to the beach and come back.
I'll try. It's not as easy as it looks. Oh shit.
What?
Yeah, it's already soft.
Just go to the beach and then pump. Looks like he pumped the dinghy some more and now he's gonna back. Hi! You made it! Yay! You made it!
You guys keep it cool?
Yeah, testing it for
our
dinghy.
is leaking.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
I had my
Bleeding hard here. All soft.
Yeah,
Not
to be.
hard anymore.
Do you think it'll hold with both of us? It's only one way to find out.
There's only one way to find out without your phone.
Okay, here I come. It's recording.
All right. Now we're practicing this with 2 people. I have no idea where the second person will sit. You sit in the bow? Bow, chicka, wow, wow. Because I have to sit here to row.
Okay. Are we good?
Yeah, lower, low, 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 low.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Well, it was nice knowing you both. It was nice. Oh, the cat's on. Wild and free. Okay.
All right, here we go.
Here goes nothing.
Hey.
So can I roll forwards? Well, there you go.
Thankfully, we were able to make it safely with the dinghy, which I'm glad we did because we ended up needing to anchor at our next destination. And our only way to land would be this leaky dinghy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss that in the upcoming video next week. Once we were done testing the dinghy, we got back to the boat, got changed, and headed to the city to provision and get some groceries since we were heading off tomorrow to our next destination. It's not your mommy, babies. On the way out of the marina, we saw this cute baby seal that was sucking at the side of one of the boats, as if it was confused if it was its mom. But animal rescue was called, and hopefully this baby seal was saved after all. Because it was sad seeing it so confused. Let us know in the comment section if you've seen this happen before and if you know why they do that.
Well, we made it to downtown.
Yeah.
Downtown Pender Island. There's this super nice couple right behind us here. They're just unloading their car. They gave us a ride.
Yeah.
Super nice because the cab would have been like an hour wait and we didn't want to wait an hour.
Okay, we're gonna go explore and also
Go
get
explore
some
and then we're gonna get some
groceries.
groceries.
Yeah.
Bye.
Pender Island is approximately 13 square miles in area and is home to about only 2,000 permanent residents. The nice couple that gave us a ride told us one of the main reasons they chose Pender Island as their home is because of the many marked and accessible beaches, which is a pretty good reason to me. Suki just has her leash on. We're gonna try to go for a walk because she felt like she has too much energy and I want to see if she'd like to go for a walk. Wish us luck. Taking our cats on the boat with us may be a bit controversial, but they've been doing surprisingly great at adjusting to the boat life. We love our cats and want to share these experiences with them and believe that they too deserve an adventurous life. And if we want to do this full time, our cats also need to adjust to the boat life, which we're optimistic about. And the more we do this, the more we've noticed that there's actually a lot of people that have her cats on their boats. Guess we're just an underground community. That's just a rope. It's not a snake, that's a rope.
Our evening adventure kitties.
It's okay, you can go. Here, we're gonna go. I know you want to go. I know you want to go.
Go back inside, apparently. She wants to go back inside.
Come. It's fine.
Please be careful. Please be careful. You're stepping on the... You almost stepped on the leash and almost fell. Meanwhile, Pixie's just chilling. Right, Pixie? Psst. Tina is on Suki duty, I'm on Pixie duty. Of course. Thrill seeker. Pixie, what are you doing?
Join us next week as we sail to Montague Harbor at Galliano Island and tie to a mooring buoy for the first time and discover the most beautiful white shell beach. Thanks for watching. See you all next week.